Welcome to Steamboat, Colorado. We just got stuck in the rain. Oh, 2.5 hours in a freaking slingshot. That's about my limit. Greatest part about this is that thing right there. So on the way back home, I'm gonna give you my opinions on a slingshot, whatever the hell it is. But we're gonna hang out in Steamboat and get some food. That could have been bad.
An hour later.
Oh yeah. I don't fit in here at all. You do. I know, and it's a manual, so my foot keeps hitting the steering wheel every time it's awesome. Oh my God. No doors. The Slingshot does have a radio. Unfortunately, it's kind of shit, and that's why I brought. By the way, Becca's being an awesome camera girl today. I brought the commuter speaker that Cove makes. I promoted this on the channel once before. I have a coupon code JOE65, gets you 65% off. First link in the description down below. This is acting as our stereo in here today. It fits in the cup holder, syncs up to your phone. Actually a really, really good speaker from someone that's bought like the Bose and the Beats and everything else. Like this is, I think like 75 bucks the coupon code or something like that, maybe less. Highly recommend indoor, outdoor mode. We have it in outdoor mode. We listen to it the whole way over here. Great little speaker, highly recommend. We have a 2.5 hour drive in this little thing back over the mountain. These things get a little annoying to be in after a little bit. I'm gonna kind of give you guys a short version of a review on the way back. We gotta go over the mountaintops, more drone shots and all that. Let's go. Okay, look, I want to do a full walk around and like show you guys the Slingshot, but we rented them until 5 o'clock. It is 4:20. We are 30 minutes away for where we need to go, and you can't hear me at all on the mic when we're driving. So real quick, 170 horsepower, 2.4 liter, like little inline 4 motor. Not a whole lot of power, but it only weighs 1,700 pounds. Add 300 pounds for us, maybe another 100 pounds of like gas and luggage and shit.
Calling me fat?
2,100 pounds. It's really, really light for the amount of power it has, so it does get up and go, and the manual transmission's badass. I relate it closely to like a Polaris Razor. If you've ever driven like a Gator or Razor, or it's really windy, sorry about that, but golf cart or anything like that, it's super similar to that. That is my review. Would I buy one? I think they're $11,000 up here. Fuck yeah, it really makes me want a manual car up here, which means that the GT3 will definitely be making its way up here at some point. But I would not want to over to these anywhere that there's not like really cool country roads. Like in Houston, traffic and stuff, no way I'd want to be in this thing. If you crash this thing, you are fucked. Dropped off we literally rolled in at 4:59. Look at that. All right, I did a pretty shitty job explaining earlier what was going on. So it is like 50 degrees out here. I'm in Grand Lake, Colorado with Becca. We're just up here for a week, taking a little break from work, making a couple videos. Today was an amazing time with the Slingshots. The Raptor's up here. Tomorrow's video is gonna be me and the Raptor off-road. I've been determined since I've been up here to get a photo of that thing with some mountains in the background, because for the first time in my life, I have a sick car in a sick location, not just flat roads in Houston. I'm gonna shut up before I run out of daylight. I'll be right back. Let me get this shot. The colors are starting to change. So the trees are going from like green to orange to red. I keep in my head thinking it'd be so cool to get a shot of this with like the orange and red trees. And every time I see them, I don't have to try. Right now it's a perfect shot, so let's see if I can get this before the sun goes down. I feel bad because Becca's never been up this high. The house is at 9,000 feet. She's used to like 90% humidity. We're from Houston. It's like 1 or 2% humidity here, so I think she has a little bit of a migraine. I have a humidifier like blasting her in the face right now. Tomorrow I'm planning on taking this Raptor. There's 2,000 miles of off-roading trails right behind our house. We can go all the way up to the summit. What the hell? Y'all can't just block the road. Oh, look at that guy's rack. Hey, get out of the road. Appreciate it. Anyways, we're up here. It's like a scene from Nat Geo. There's random animals and mountains and sunsets and all kinds of cool shit. I got my drone with me. I got everything with me. So hopefully this video came out pretty cool. I wish I would have had a little bit more time with the Slingshot. We took those things 250 miles in 5 hours. Hopefully the GoPro shots kind of showed you guys enough. I was pleasantly surprised by how much I liked that. Driving one today, if I had roads like this in Houston and there wasn't traffic and flooding and everything else, for sure. The owner of that store said they were like 11 grand, I think, for a base one. That's not bad at all. Really fun car to drive. I think now I relate it more to like a Miata RX-7 and not like a golf cart, which I kind of thought it was before. Anyways, back at the house, don't forget to put the e-brake on. Okay, cool. We have dinner, and then I'm gonna wrap this video up after that. Hopefully those photos came out somewhat cool. You guys already saw them, but I haven't seen what they look like yet. Also, you would not want to accidentally go too far forward. It would not end well. Okay. This is where my video is. No, what is that? I don't want that. We were out by the fire, took some photos of the stores. I'm tired. You're tired. It was a long day. Like, share, subscribe, comment down below, and I will wake up in the morning and film another video. It's so sick. Alaskan Bush People is one of the greatest shows ever made. I highly recommend you watch it. Okay, I'm out. No, get... Peace.